Hello from Disney World. We're doing a Christmas vacation here. It's me and my two friends, and we're getting ready, we're changing, we're putting on makeup, and then we're gonna go and head over to Animal Kingdom. Okay, we're all dressed and we're heading to Animal Kingdom now. Okay, we're at the buses now. The bus comes in about 8 minutes, and then we'll have, by the time we get there, honestly, probably like an hour left of the park, which isn't bad at all. So maybe we can hop on Everest or something, but we really wanted to see the Christmas tree. Alright, we just got off the bus. The amount of people walking out right now, it's crazy, but we're going in, baby. Look at her. She's beautiful. Look at them, they're so cute. Look at the lion, the zebra, the elephant.
Behind the scenes.
We missed Santa Claus and Santa Goofy.
Well, actually, Santa Goofy comes December 25th through the 31st.
Oh, so we didn't even miss him. Okay, we have to come back.
We must come back.
Look at all the pretty Christmas lights up here. Everywhere. Look at the whole store is decorated. It's so pretty. We're heading on Dinosaur right now because it's only 20 minutes. And Everest is 30 minutes, but we're gonna head to Dinosaur just because we're closer to it. Then we'll see where we go next. I do not remember this from last year. It could be me, but I do not remember this. And look at the Santa face. What? Who knew this happened? Who knew? And who didn't tell me? They have to be doing this because it's its last Christmas. There's no way this was here last year. It would have been sitting here. There's more? I swear they did not do this last year. They're probably doing it for the last Christmas. Let's go. That was not 20 minutes.
Let's roll. Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. Identified.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Okay, we just got off Dinosaur and now we're heading to Everest because it's 15 minutes. Say your goodbyes to Dino Land. I'm sure we'll be back, but if we don't before January, this whole thing is getting closed for a brand new area. All right, we're here. Oh, the screams. 15 minutes. Let's go. Oh, you can't see anything.
Ow! I just hit my head.
It's a full moon. We just got off Everest and we were stuck in like the unloading zone for like a good minute probably. It was a long time, but we're here. It's also kind of chilly out. I don't even think I've mentioned that yet today, but it's like what did I say, 68 last time?
I got you.
66. Oh my god. Well, long sleeve-ish things were a good choice for all of us today. Sweater weather. All right, we're heading out. We have 8 minutes to get back inside Animal Kingdom because Dev just said that she didn't see the matching PJs we were trying to get at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So now we're running back so we can go into the gift shop to try to see if we can find them before we go back to the resort. Okay, we just ran in here because we saw Christmas merch. So we thought maybe we'd find the pajamas. So they have these, but we're looking for the tan version. We're heading to our bus to head back to the hotel now, and we're gonna check the gift shop in there. We're in the gift shop right now. We just got off the bus, but we don't see anything. Okay, we decided instead of pajamas, we're getting these instead. We got these refillable cups for our stay. We all got matching ones, so we're grabbing some drinks. Are you struggling? We're all in our matching sweaters now. Ta-da! And so we are gonna make drinks. So basically we each picked a holiday cocktail. We all brought ingredients, and so we're making 3 different holiday cocktails. We also have fun little ornaments that we're gonna put them in, and little cute cups. So Dev's gonna go first. Wait, what?
Nothing. No, you're fine. You'll notice when you just edit.
If I go back and edit this video and I'm zooming in on you, you will.
That's funny.
Anyway, we're gonna put them in ornaments and then pour them into the cups. So Dev is gonna go first. What was your drink called again?
White Christmas.
Oh, White Christmas. Winter. It's called a White Christmas, and it's like a creamy.
But I think
coconut.
I want to change the name.
Okay.
Because I brought these, so I want to change it to Glistening Snow.
Whoa. Okay. Glistening
Fancy.
snow. Okay.
But we need ice.
Oh,
That means we need
Wait,
to
we
leave
have
the
to do that
room.
whole segment one more time, everybody. So.
Here we have the cups that we ordered. I washed them before we came. They're so cute, and these are plastic. I did not realize these were going to be glass, but at least that means they're potentially food safe. And these are the, hold on. These are the little glass ornaments that we're going to like flip over and into this.
Dude.
No, you have
No,
to make
I
it in the shaker. We'll transfer to the ornament and then transfer to
What
the
if it
cup.
doesn't fit in the ornament?
What do you mean?
Then it'll just go straight in the cup.
Because we're gonna pour it into here over a cup so that whatever, like,
Okay,
if
okay,
it
okay.
splashes
I
out,
don't
we
have a
won't throw it
shaker.
out.
I have a shaker.
Okay.
Shanique brought one. Shanique's the professional.
I'm not making cocktails every day, but at least
God,
I
you
know.
hear it on the work.
3 cans?
I don't think we needed 3
And
cans.
I don't know where my other can went. Oh, it's still back
how are we
there.
opening the cans?
Oh, it has the little
Oh,
thing.
okay, okay.
Okay, let me pull up my little ingredients.
Okay, let's get down and dirty with Deb.
2 ounces of coconut cream. So what do I put it in here?
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is 1 ounce.
Let me grab my other can just in case.
You definitely don't need 3.
Don't need
What is 2
3
ounces?
cans. It's
Two of
very
these
small.
little things.
That's 2 ounces?
Why did I get 3?
Okay. If anybody needs this.
Guys, if you comment down below and you can win the giveaway.
So 2 of these little bad boys, although that's for 1 drink, right?
Yes.
So we would need 6. Math.
Yeah.
Ew.
Okay, I am a family-friendly channel.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that looks interesting for sure.
I actually was gonna do like a Jack Frost drink, but then I got to Target and they didn't have anything, so I had to last minute find a new drink. Oh my god, I don't want to post because it'll splash in your face. Guys, I don't know what type of drink I'm making. I'm not used to
It
this.
doesn't look lumpy.
I don't know. Is it supposed to look like this, Shanique?
Why would I know?
You were just telling us a story. All of Timea's and Shanique's subscribers, do you know if cream of coconut is supposed to look lumpy? Or if you're supposed to stir it?
The only time I've ever had any coconut thing, it
Maybe I
came in a
Oh,
should read the
squeezy
can.
bottle.
What's in the cake? What is in it?
See yourself in the front. That's so smart.
I know, I like it. It's one of the newer ones, right?
Yeah, I got it last year. Actually, Jared got it for me.
Aw.
Yeah, that was really nice of him.
Oh, that's looking normal now.
Yeah, that looks normal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mess. It's sliding.
Sure, it's fine.
Just keep going. No, for sure, this is definitely the way to do that.
Really?
No.
Maybe I should just scoop it in there. Or like scoop the thing in.
I don't think the can is wide enough.
Let's get dirty with Dev.
I've worked my whole life for this.
It's
It's because it doesn't have the ice in it.
Oh. Wait, why don't we put ice in it then?
Are we supposed to?
We literally got ice.
I forgot about it. It's too late.
No,
we
it's
can't-
not too
we
late.
can't put. Shanique is shaking my drink because I'm too scared.
Put your whole body into it, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said I worked my whole life for
I'm
this.
gonna be a bartender. Now that the ice is in there, it's created a suction.
Right.
Don't ruin your new sweater.
I'm nervous.
Just do it.
Nathan usually opens it for me. Wait.
We can't rely on our mans while we're on a girls' trip. That might be easier. Is that what he does? Has he hit it?
You have to hit it, but Jesus Christ.
Okay, here is drink number 1, Glistening Snow by Dirty Dev. So in here we have rum, cream of coconut, lime, granulated sugar, and then we're also going to top it off with some seltzer water on top. And look how cute these came out with the gold rims. This feels like a science experiment. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
It looks really good.
It actually does. Oh, look at the foaming on top.
Look at that. We did that.
We did that.
We did that.
She's glistening.
Wow.
Oh my god, she's pouring over the
Oh, she is.
the
And maybe
edge.
a little less seltzer on the next one.
Look at it coming down on the...
Cheers.
Oh, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. It's very like...
I really like it.
It's a
My
tropical.
cold foam.
You waited a second and I was like, oh, do you not like it?
I actually really like the foam
No,
on
it's
top.
actually really good. I thought I wouldn't like the seltzer,
Same.
but it's like refreshing.
No,
Mixed with everything, it's really good.
Because also probably it's too strong on its own,
Mhm.
Oh, yeah.
you know? Number 1 was a success.
10 out of 10 glistening snow.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really like this.
Same.
You go, TikTok people.
We're heading down to the quick service called the Mara. I just got chicken tenders because I'm allergic to everything that's seasoning. Basically every single thing on that menu I can't have. So I just got chicken tenders and we're gonna refill our cups too. And we're going back. So BRB. It's literally freezing outside right now. Really cold. So Shanique and Dev, they got bowls. And honestly, it looks pretty good. Dev's looks like you have just chickpeas and olives. And I got chicken tenders.